Hey YouTube, how's it going? And today I wanted to show you a trick on how, or if you don't know how to do it, how to listen to your mic with no input delay. So most people, what they would do to listen to their mic, which is not the correct way, because if you do this, you would have latency listening to your playback from your mic. So what usually people do is they go to the sound settings here, like how I have this open, and they go to recording and they choose their mic and then they press listen and then listen check mark to listen to this device and apply. If you do that, you're gonna have a latency or delay on your playback, and you're just not gonna be able to um, use that feature that well, and you eventually turn it off, like how I did. So I turned it off, and I researched on how to actually get your audio playback in real time. And what I ended up doing was I installed the Realtek high definition audio drivers. And after you do that, after you install, which there's a download page right here, and you could use it for yourself. I can have the link down in the description if you want to use it through there, or you could go to the direct website and try to find it through their website. I found it kind of hard looking through their website, but you can find it through their website, I believe. But anyways, you install this, and you run it and everything, and let everything process and so forth. And after you're done installing, you should have, when you open this back up, the sound settings, you should see that it says Realtek below a lot of the, not all of them, but on most of the audio devices you got here. And in stereo mix, faded out. If you don't have stereo mix here, make sure you press show disabled devices and show disconnected devices checkmarked. Right click right here, and you'll be able to see them. And also here, I think, yeah, will apply for both. But anyways, this is pretty handy too if you want to listen to your or play audio from your desktop. But anyways, that's for another video. Anyways, so after you install the drivers, you want to open the audio headset that you are using. And usually I only know that this works with only like audio jacks, not with USBs. So if you know how to do it with USB audio ports with Realtek, go ahead and comment down and let me know how to do that, because I don't know how to do that. I never found out how to do that. But my headset, for example, I have a pink audio jack and a green audio jack for my headset, and it works this way by installing the Realtek drivers. And once you install the Realtek drivers, you click on the headset that you're using to listen to it through playback, and then you go to levels, and you should be able to see, after you install the Realtek drivers, you should be able to see that you have rear green, rear pink, front pink, and rear blue. And I don't know what blue is for, but my headset uses a pink in for audio, and as you can see right here, it's at 100. And I don't know if this changes for you on your end. Excuse me. But this allows me to listen to my mic, and I'm able to hear my mic completely through here with no delay whatsoever. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to listen to your playback with no delay. Like I said, this is pretty much what you need and what will appear after you install the Realtek high definition drivers. Because I didn't have this before, the Realtek drivers, but after you install them, you should have these settings here. And yeah, you turn this up and you can hear yourself completely with no delay whatsoever. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, subscribe, give me a like, and if it wasn't, dislike. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.